Ishan Shah. Today we are here for the collaborative learning of oral and maxillofacial surgery. I would like to thank Dr. Bhushan sir and Dr. Pandey sir for the guidance. Learning objective. The LEQ which we are going to see here is describe the local anesthesia drugs and describe their mode of action. Introduction. This is just a rough definition of local anesthesia. Local anesthesia are the drugs that on coming in contact with the nerve fiber interrupt the propagation of the nerve impulse in a prolonged and reversible manner. In 1816, Nyman isolated an alkaloid called cocaine. 24 years later, that is in 1884, Kohler demonstrated its anesthetic action. Then later in 1905, Arnom synthesized the first local synthetic anesthetics, which was used as clinically. Definition. Local anesthesia is defined as a transient and completely reversible loss of sensation in a circumscribed area of the body caused by depression in excitation in nerve endings or an inhibition of the conduction process in peripheral nerves. This is the standard definition given by Monims. Desirable properties of local anesthesia. It should not cause any irritation to the tissues, that is, it should be biocompatible. It should not cause any permanent alteration to the nerve structure. Systemic toxicity should be low. Time of onset should be short. Duration of the action should be long enough for the clinician to work efficiently. Should be free from producing any allergic reaction. It should be stable in solution and relatively undergo biotransformation in body. And it should be sterile. Theories of mechanism of action of local anesthesia. There are a total 5 theories of mechanism of action. First is acetylcholine theory. Acetylcholine involved in nerve conduction in addition to its role as a neurotransmitter at nerve synapse. But there is no evidence of involvement of acetylcholine in neural transmission along the body or the neuron. Calcium displacement theory. Local anesthetic nerve block area was produced by the displacement of the calcium from some membrane site that control permeability of sodium, which further prevents its depolarization. Surface charge or repulsion theory. Local anesthesia acted by the binding to nerve membrane and changing electric potential at membrane surface. Local anesthetic molecules carry net positive charge. They make electric potential at membrane surface more positive, which thus causes decrease in the excitability of the nerve by increasing the threshold potential. Fourth is membrane expansion theory. Local anesthesia molecule diffuse to hydrophobic region of excitable membrane, producing general disturbance of the bulk membrane structure and the expanding membrane, and thus preventing increase in permeability to sodium ion. This causes the blockade of the sodium ion channel and causes the nerve blockade of the nerve conduction. The fifth is the specific receptor theory. This is the most accepted theory. Local anesthetics act by binding to specific receptors on sodium channel. Action of drug is direct and is not mediated by some change in general properties of cell membrane. Specific receptor exist in sodium channel either on its external surface or internal exoplasmic surface. This is the diagram which demonstrates the specific receptor theory. According to this diagram, the sodium channel is blocked by the local anesthetic molecules. This causes the increase in the threshold potential of the nerve conduction and causes the blockade of the nerve conduction. Classification of local anesthesia. First, classification of local anesthesia is based on chemistry. The local anesthesia is classified into esters, amides, and quinoline. Esters are further classified into benzoic acid esters and para-amino benzoic acid esters. Some benzoic acid esters are butadiene, cocaine, benzocaine, hexylcaine, pipirocane, and tetracaine. Some para-aminobenzyl acid esters are procaine, chloroprocaine, propoxycane. Some amides are prilocaine, bupivacaine, mepivacaine, etidocaine, articaine, and lidocaine. Quinoline is centbutridine. Second classification of local anesthetics is according to the biological site and its mode of action. It is classified into four types: class A, class B, class C, and class D. Class A is agent acting at receptor site, that is external surface of nerve membrane. Class B is agent acts at receptor site, that is internal surface of the nerve membrane. Class C is agent acts by receptor independent, for example benzocaine. And class D is combination of physiochemical receptors and receptor independent mechanism. Third classification of local anesthesia is according to the duration of action. It is classified as ultra short, short, intermediate, and long. Some ultra short acting local anesthetics are lignocaine 2%, mepivacaine 3%, and prilocaine 4%. Short acting local anesthesias are procaine and chloroprocaine. Intermediate acting local anesthesias are lignocaine, prilocaine, and mepivacaine. Long acting local anesthesia are bupivacaine, etidocaine, and tetracaine. Classification of LA based on the mode of administration. It is mainly classified into two types: injectable and surface anesthetic. Injectable are further classified into low potency, short duration, intermediate potency and intermediate duration, high potency and long duration. Surface anesthetic are further classified into soluble and insoluble. Composition of local anesthetics. The prime component of the local anesthesia is local anesthetic agent, that is 2% lignocaine, which causes the blockade of the nerve conduction. Vasoconstrictor. Vasoconstrictor here used is adrenaline in the concentration of 1:80,000. It increases the depth and duration of local anesthesia by decreasing the absorption of LA. Reducing agent or antioxidant. Here it is used as sodium metabisulfite. Fungicidal. The fungicidal used here is thymol. Vehicle. Distilled water and NaCl for volume and isotonicity of solution. Bacteriostatic agent, methyl paraben. Buffer, sodium hydroxide for the maintaining the pH. Nitrogen bubble, present oxygen from being trapping in the cartridge and potentially destroying the vasopressor. Factors affecting activity of local anesthesia. The effectiveness of LA is decreased by the acidification of the tissues. Therefore, poor anesthesia results when anesthetic solution is injected into the inflamed area. Here we can see that the local anesthesia action is reduced in any acidic nature. Local anesthesia with epinephrine is less active than the same agent without epinephrine because the pH of solution with epinephrine is less, which is 3.3, than when compared to the pH of solution without epinephrine, which is 5.5. Alkalization of local anesthesia increases its effectiveness and speeds up the action. But since the local anesthesia is very unstable in its basic form, it cannot be used for the clinical purposes. Local anesthetic agents are vasodilators. This results in increased and fast absorption of the solution into the bloodstream, thereby increasing its toxicity. Contraindications. The two main contraindications are absolute contraindications of LA and relative contraindications of LA. The absolute contraindications of LA are myocardial infarction within 6 months, patient having recent history of hepatitis A or hepatitis B, jaundice, local infections or sepsis, hypersensitivity to lignocaine. Relative contraindications of LA are chronic renal failure, hyperthyroidism, atypical plasma cholinesterase, pregnancy that is during the first trimester, hypertension, malignant hyperthermia, and congenital methemoglobinemia. Mode of action. Mode of action is a series of events occurring after the administration of local anesthesia. It causes the displacement of calcium ions from nerve receptor site. This further causes binding of Lm molecule to the receptor site. Later, it causes blockade of the sodium channel, which causes decrease in sodium conductance and depression of rate of electric depolarization. This further leads to the failure to achieve threshold potential level. Thus, it causes lack of development of propagated action potential, which further leads to the conduction blockade. For reference, you can refer Balaji, Rima Malik, Monims, and Malamed. Thank you.